Let's make papadum. All ingredients are ready. So add half gram, 12 gram papad khar and half cup water. Add crushed black pepper 1 tablespoon. Add crushed black pepper 1 tablespoon. Add half teaspoon salt. Add half teaspoon salt. Add 2 pinch or 1 by 4 teaspoon asafoetida. Add pinch asafoetida, 2 pinch asafoetida. Asafoetida mix papad khar, black peppers, asafoetida and the water. Mix all ingredients. Add 200 gram urad dal flour. Add 200 gram urad dal flour. Add 50 gram moong dal flour. Add 50 gram moong dal flour. Add 50 gram moong dal flour. Urad dal flour, moong dal flour. Add 2 tablespoon oil. In the lentil flours, add 2 tablespoon oil. Add 2 tablespoon oil. Add 2 tablespoon oil. To mix oil in the lentil flour, add this half cup water and mix knead the dough with this water, black pepper water, asafoetida water. Knead the dough with the water, this half cup water. Add this half cup water and knead the dough. Knead hard dough, knead well. Knead the hard dough, knead very well. Added half cup water, black pepper water added into it. Knead the dough very well. Knead hard dough, knead well for 4 to 5 minutes. Knead it very well. Knead the dough very hard. Knead it very well for 5 to so it becomes soft. After kneading, it becomes little bit soft and moist. So knead it very well so that it becomes soft. Knead it very well so that it becomes soft. Knead it very well so becomes it is soft. Make the pipe out of it. We will cut the little pieces out of it. We will make 19 to 20 papad. Make a pipe and cut into 19 pieces. Cut into 19 small pieces. Made pipe out of it and cutting into the 19 pieces. We will make 19 papad out of it. Cut it into the pieces. Cut it into the pieces. Keep pieces covered so that it not getting dried. Keep the pieces covered so that it remain. Apply oil, dust, flour, roll thin papad. Apply oil, dust, dry flour, dry lentil flour, dust and roll the papad. Roll thin circular long papad. Roll thin circular long papad. Apply oil and dust dry flour and roll long thin circular papad. Roll as much thin as you can roll. Roll as long as you can roll. Roll it thin. Apply oil on the each piece. Apply oil on each piece and roll it thin papad. Apply oil, dust, flour, roll thin papad. Apply oil, dust, flour, roll thin papad. Apply oil, dust, flour, roll thin papad. Apply oil, roll dust, flour, roll thin papad, roll thin papad. Apply oil, dust, flour, roll thin papad. Now let's dry in sunlight for 2 to 3 days. Dry papads in sunlight for 2 to 3 days. Apply oil, roll dust, flour, dust lentil flour and roll thin papad. Apply oil, roll thin dust, flour and roll thin papad. Roll as long as you can make it. Roll as thin as you can make it thin. Roll as long as you can. Roll as thin as you can. Apply oil, roll thin papad. Roll thin papad. Apply oil, roll thin papad. Apply oil, roll thin papad. Apply oil, roll thin papad. Keep it in the plate. Now we will heat dry these in the sunlight for 2 to 3 days. Keep other pieces covered so that they remain moist so that these don't get dried out. Roll thin papad. Apply oil, dust flour and dust lentil flour and roll thin papad. Roll thin papad as much as thin you can roll and as much as long you can roll. Roll thin papad. Keep pieces other covered. Apply oil. Apply any vegetable oil and roll thin papad as long as you can roll and make thin papad. Make thin papad. Roll as long as you can roll. Apply dust lentil flour. Dust some lentil flour. Urad dal and yellow lentil flour and make pigeon lentil flour and yellow lentil flour. and make thin papad out of it. Make papadum papad. And see, I'm dusting this dry floor and rolling thin papad. Dry inside home for 2 to 3 days. Dry inside home. Repeat the step. Roll thin papad, then keep it in the plate and dry it on any cloth for 2 to 3 days. Inside home it will take 5 days, and outside in hot sun it will take 1 to 2 days. Inside home it will take the 5 days. Dust lentil flour and roll thin papad as much as thin you can roll. Make a thin papad out of it. Roll as thin as you can and roll as long as you can roll. Make a thin papad out of it. Dry these papad in the sun, hot sun, under hot sun for 2 to 3 days. Apply oil and roll dust flour. Dust the flour and roll thin papad. Apply oil. Dust the lentil flour. Roll thin papad. Apply oil. Dust thin lentil flour. Roll thin papad. Apply oil. Dust lentil flour. Roll thin papad. Apply oil. Dust lentil flour. Roll thin papad. Roll as much as thin you can roll. Make it as long as you can make it. Roll as long as you can. Make it as thin as you can. Apply oil and dust some flour to make it large in size. To make it thin more, we are dusting flour so that we make it more thin. We are dusting flour so that we can roll it more longer and more thin. Applying flour so that rolling lentil flour. Applying lentil flour to roll it more long and more thin papad out of it. Make as long as you can, roll as thin as you can. Make it very dry in hot sun, under hot sun for 2 to 3 days. Dry inside hot sun for 2 to 3 days. Dry inside sun or home, inside home for 5 days. Dry in sun inside for 2 to 3 days. For dry inside home for 2 to 3 days. Dried in 2 days inside home. Dried in 2 days inside the home. Thank you for watching. Please like, share.